What's up is down, what's left is right.
The 2024 Genesis G90 continues its role as the automaker's flagship and most luxurious sedan. Notably its gun-slit headlights and modified pentagonal grille, but the G90 retains some unique traits to mark its status. Power is provided by a 375 horsepower 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, but a high-output 409 horsepower version equipped with an electric supercharger in addition to the turbo is available for buyers seeking maximum thrust. Both deliver the type of smooth, silky power needed to compete in their class, and the luxurious cabin delivers on that promise. Nappa leather upholstery is standard, as are massaging front seats and real wood trim. Unexpected features include an onboard fragrance diffuser that can fill a room with calming aromas while an air purifier works to prevent outside odors from entering. The G90 provides a balance of ride and handling like an executive sedan. With the higher output engine, the G90 sprints to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds, impressive for a sedan of its size. Having 405 pound-feet of torque checked into service at a low 1,300 revolutions per minute makes the G90 work quickly to carry the G90's weight around town.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.